Welcome to SKVM Sudoku. I will plan to use voice in my upcoming videos for better understanding. These numbers are called as rows. These letters are called column. And the dark outline represent a grid. This is all the dark line. Also we have 9 grid. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And today Hindu Sudoku 2 star. We can start with first this grid. Already we have 1 here, right? If we have 1, this cells won't come. Here also we have 1. Also here won't come. Then the possibility 1 is here only. 1. Next we can find another number. This grid we have already number 9 here. Also number this cells number 9 won't come. Here also we have 9. This cells number 9 won't come. Then the possibility 9 will be here only. This cells only 9. We can also find another number in this grid. We have 4 number here. This number this cells won't come. Also same thing here we have 4. This cells won't come. Only 1 number here below 4. This also won't come. This 4 is possible to come here only. This cells only. Next we can solve with number 3. This cell won't come. Also we have top 1. Here also the 3 number won't come. Here also we have 3. This also won't come. It is possible to come here only 3. We can solve easy number. Then only we can quickly we can finish. Also if you have 9, this cell won't come. Here also we have 9. Here also won't come. It is possible to come here only 9. Also same grid we have another number 4. The 4 also here is blocking. He won't come here. Here only is come 4. We have another number 5. Here also this cells won't come. This 5 is blocking this cells. Here also won't come. But possible to come here only. This number 5. Okay, another number 4. Here also is won't come. This cells. This 4 also won't come. This cells. This number 4 also is won't come here. This 4 also is won't come here. Then it's possible to come here only 4. Next 3 we can select. Here this 3 won't come. This cells, the 3 cells. This 3 also won't come. This 2 cells. Okay. This 3 also won't come here. Then possible to come here only. Another number 9. This also comes. Same cells won't come. We have another 9 here. This also won't come. Here only is come 9. Next 7. This cell won't come here. Here also same thing won't come. Possible to come here only. Another number 7. The 7 won't come. This 2 cells. Here also same thing won't come here. It's possible to come 7 here only. Here. Number 1 won't come in these 2 cells. Also same thing. These 3 cells won't come here. Number 1 here only will come. Another 3 won't come. These cells. Same thing here also. Same 3 won't come in these cells. Here only is possible to come 3. Next 9. This 9 won't come in these cells. Yeah, here also same thing. Won't come in this cell. Also here we have is blocking here, then possible to come here only. Also another same thing, same 9 1 come in this cell, here also possible 1 come this cell, then 9 will come here only. Also 9 1 come in these cells, same thing here, 9 1 come in this cell, then 9 will come here only. In this row we have two numbers remaining, 6 and 8. 6 already we have here, it won't come here, then will come here only. The remaining 8 will come here. Then we completed one row, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. In number 1 won't come in these cells, it is possible to come here or here. Either way number 1 won't come here. Also we have number 1, these 3 cells number 1 won't come here, it is possible to come here only. Same in these cells, 5 won't come, it is possible to come here only. In this grade we have 3 numbers is remaining, 6 7 8, not confirm, but 3 numbers only remaining. In this row 2 is missing, it will come here only. 6 won't come in these cells, then it will come here only. In this grade 2 numbers is missing, balance 2 and 5, 2 5 2 5. In the two cells 1 and 8 only will come. We have already number 1 here, then 1 come here, it is possible to come here, then 8 will come here only. In this grade only one number is remaining, 1 2 3 4, that is number 5 6 7 8 9. Number 1 and 2 won't come here, maybe it will come here or here, but the balance number is 8. The 8 will come here only. In this row we have 2 numbers balance remaining, 6 already we have here, 6 won't come here, 6 will come here, 7 also will come here only. 8 already we have here, it won't come here, it is possible to come here. Remaining amount number 1 only, it is possible to come here only. Then we can place number 1 and 2. 1 already come here, is won't come here, it is possible to come here and here. 5 already we have here, so won't come these cells, it will come here only. 5 won't come these cells, these 3 cells, here also same thing, the 5 won't come to 2 cells, the 5 will come here only. 5 won't come these 3 cells, also here also, then 5 will come here only. In this row 2 number remaining, 2 and 6. 2 won't come here, 2 will come here, 6 will come here. 6 won't come here, here also here 6 won't come, then possible to come here only. 7 8 only remaining. Already we have 8 here, then 8 won't come here, 8 will come here, 7 will come here. Two will not come here. Here also 2 will not come. Here one will come 2. 7 won't come here. Then will come here. Then balance remaining number 8 only. Six won't come. These two cells. Then here one will come. Two won't come here. Then it will come here only. Then remaining number 3 only. Five won't come here. Then it will come here. Remaining 2. Then it will come here only. Then we have 2 3. This won't come. This cell. Then it will come here only. Only one number is remaining. Then will come 6 here only. In this grid we have only 2 number remaining, 7 and 8. 8 already we have here. Then one come. It will come here. 7 will come here. Then 7 won't come here. Then will come here. Remaining 2 only. 2 will come here. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, comment below. Please like and share.